Good morning, boys and girls. I am going to be a bit busy today with the Mile of Pennies, so I am leaving a video of our morning meeting for you all to do, and you better behave for Miss Veezy. I know she loves you, and I hope that you are good for her. So I'm going to share my screen with you, and let me go to my... Come on, open up, friends. Okay, all right. So let me share my screen with you. How is everybody feeling today? If you are in the happy box, if you're excited, brave, silly, or proud, you're ready for 4 days off, raise your hands up high. Oh, good. Lots of happy people. Love to see that. If you're in the calm box today, show me some namaste. If you're feeling kind, loving, relaxed, or grateful, smell the flowers, blow out the candle. Good job. All right. If you are in the angry box, pants on fire, pants on fire. You guys are all tricking me. Remember, when you get mad, what happens? That's right. You get glad again. All right. Take a look. If you are in the sad box today, if you are feeling sad, make sure that you check on your people around you and give them hugs and give them smiles. We don't have any lunch today, so you can't sit next to them. But if you're feeling like this turkey right here, you need to, talk to a friend and get on the glad side again. Okay. All right. Let's move along. Okay, boys and girls, today is, let me make sure we're on the right day. Nope. I forgot to change the date again. Okay. Who can tell me what day yesterday was? Yesterday was Tuesday. That's right. And if yesterday was Tuesday, what day is today? That's right. It's Wacky Wednesday. And tomorrow will be Thinking Thursday or Thanksgiving. All right. Thankful Thursday. Then we're going to call it today. All right, boys and girls. Today is actually Wednesday, November 26, 2025. Find that 26 with your eyes. Put your hands on your head as soon as you see the 26. And I'm going to show it in 3, 2, 1. There it is. Oh my goodness. All right, boys and girls, in September and October, we were in school for 43 days. We're going to count on from 43 until we get to that star. That's going to tell us how many days we've been in school so far. So here we go. 43, 44, 45, 46. I can't hear you. 47, 48. Whoops. I'm messing up my days. Hold on. Let me go back. 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Today is day 57. All right, take a look at our number chart. Find that 57 with your eyes. Find that 57 with your eyes. Put your hands on your head as soon as you see it. All right, think about the color that it is. All right, I'm going to show it in 3, 2, 1. There it is. All right, boys and girls, if you were right, give it a clap. Good job. All right, boys and girls. Today is day 57. Can I start counting with this big old square? When can I use this? That's right, on the 100th day of school. I'm going to start counting with my skinny little stick. Boys and girls, how many's in this skinny little stick? If you said 10, pat yourself on the back. Good job. All right, let's start counting. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. All right, boys and girls, if I add one more, what am I going to have? 58. Good job. All right, now I'm going to go back to 57. This time I'm going to take away 1. All right, think about it. What do you think it's going to be? What's our number now? 56. Good job. Now I'm going to go back to 57. And this time I'm adding 10. What am I going to have? Did you say 67? Because that's the right number. Good job. All right, now I'm going to go back to 57. And now I'm taking away 10. Boys and girls, what am I going to have now? 47. You are right. Give yourselves a kiss on your brain. And let's move on. All right, boys and girls, you know the drill. If you look at this number, the first number is going to tell us how many full 10 frames we have. And this number, the second digit, I should say, the second digit is going to tell us how many leftovers I'm going to have. All right. So I'm going to have 5 10s and 7 leftovers if I did this right. Let's count by 10s. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Good job, Mrs. Gilardi. You did it right. All right. Even though I was tired, I did it right. All right. Now we're going to move along to our tally marks. And I forgot to change this number, boys and girls. I've been so busy with this penny thing. I am losing my mind. All right. But today is day 57. We're going to put our fingers in the air. We are going to count to the number 10. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's right. We slash on the 5. So let's count by 5s until we get to 57. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 6, 55, 56, 57. Oh my gosh, boys and girls, there are 11 5s in the number 55. If you remember that from yesterday, you are pretty good because my brain is not working. Okay, so we have 11 5s and 2 leftovers. That gives us 57. All right, take a look at this. Boys and girls, the answer is already there for you. 7 is a greater number than 3 plus 2. Who can tell me what 3 plus 2 equals? Did you say 5? Kiss that brain of yours. So the alligator likes to eat the biggest number, and you know that 7 is bigger than 5, or 7 is greater than 5. So that's what we say. All right. So let's move along. Boys and girls, today is our 57th day of school. Every day that we come to school, we get a little bit smarter, add a little bit more to that filing cabinet inside our brain called our schema. And if I want to be super fancy, I could call it my metacognition. Oh my gosh, my face is frozen on your screen. I'm so sorry about that, but it's okay. Boys and girls, dig deep into your metacognition. What is the name of this dot here? Did you just say decimal point? You are amazing. All right, boys and girls, if we see a number before the decimal point, that is telling us how many dollars we have. We won't have any dollars until what day? The 100th day. That is correct. Now, if I see a number after the decimal point, that tells me how many parts of a dollar I have. Today, I have 57 parts of a dollar. Or I could always say I have 57 cents. That's right. Okay, boys and girls, today we are putting some coins into our piggy bank. The first 2 coins that I'm putting in are 2 of the same coin. They are both worth 25 cents. Together, they make 50 cents. On the front, there is George Washington, our first president. And on the back, we have an American eagle or a state symbol. All right, take a look. Think about it in your head. What is it going to be? Did you say the quarters, y'all? Because it's the quarters, y'all. All right, the next thing that's going into my piggy bank is a coin that is worth 5 cents. I'm putting only 1 in. It has a picture of our 3rd president, Mr. Thomas Jefferson, on the front, and on the back, it has a picture of his house called, did you say Monticello? Oh my gosh, you guys are so smart. All right, boys and girls, look at it. All right, 3, 2, 1. Did you say it was the nickel? Because it's the nickel, y'all. All right, the next thing that's going into my piggy bank are 2 coins. These 2 coins are the same. They are worth 1 cent each, so together they will equal 2 cents. And there's a picture of President Abraham Lincoln on the front and the Lincoln Memorial on the back. Take a look. Find it with your eyes. All right. Did you say it was the pennies, y'all? Because it's the pennies, y'all. We have 50, 55, 56, 57. All right, boys and girls, take a look at our shape of the day. Take a look at those earrings. Let's count how many sides they have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sides. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. What's another name for a vertice, guys? Did you say corner? You are so smart. Oh my goodness. All right. Or a point. Yeah, point. All right, boys and girls, this is a two-dimensional shape. That means it's flat as a pancake. So I'm going to ask you, what is the name of this shape? I know that Amir knows it. What is it? Did you say it's a pentagon? Because you are correct. Good job, everybody. All right, moving right along. We are going to skip through our sight words because we didn't have them this week. We are going to spin the wheel of names. We only have 2 people left. Who is it going to be? Is it going to be? Oh no, wrong wheel. Oh no. You know what we're going to do? We are going to skip right over that. And we are going to save those 2 names for our next morning meeting after we come back from Thanksgiving break. Okay. All right, we are going to look at the weather. Who could tell me what the season is? Everybody, 1, 2, 3. Did you say fall, y'all? Because you're right. Fall is the right fall is the right season. Today's high temperature is going to be 62 degrees. Can you believe it? It's been cold and now it's going to get a little steamy. And today's weather, guess what? We're going to expect some more rain today. Yuckity, yuckity, yuck. All right, can everybody line up behind my good friend, Peter? Peter, can you stand up? Peter, get into position. And everybody line up behind Peter. We are going to sing our double song. Here we go.
Are the doubles 1 through 12. We're adding numbers to themselves. These are the doubles 1 through 12. We're adding numbers to themselves. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. 3 plus 3 is 6. 4 plus 4 is 8. Time to concentrate. 4 plus 4 is 8.
Turn around.
5 plus 5 is 10, my friend. 6 plus 6 is 12. 7 and 7 make 14. And 8 plus 8 is 16.
Turn around.
9 is 18. 10 and 10 makes 20. 2 11s are 22. 22. And 12 plus 12 is 24. These are the doubles, 1 through 12.
Can't hear you.
We're adding numbers to themselves. These are the doubles, 1 through 12. We're adding numbers to themselves.
All right, everybody. Okay, everybody. Thank you so much for being a good part of today. And I hope that you're going to be good for Mrs. VC today. And I will see you throughout the day. I'll be popping in. So be a good student. Okay. Have a great day. Mwah, 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 and happy Thanksgiving.